Guys, we're gonna play Scary Baboon with CR Monk VR. So here we go. Here it is.
Scary Baboon, and we got a special guest,
Harry Hurricane. Harry
Hurricane on YouTube. So make sure
I don't have a VR channel, 350 something subs, but this is maybe my first VR video, and I'm with this guy.
Yep, what we're doing with Scary Baboon is we are just running, you know. Okay.
Yep.
So guys,
let's go, guys. Let's find some monsters.
So by the way, my YouTube channel is capital CR, no space, no caps, MONKE_VR. So
yeah, and
let's go.
Mine is Harry Hurricane. Most likely first one to pop up is most likely mine. A kid with like wings at a baseball game with like some wings where you take a pic. It's Case though! Case! Oh! First monster of the video.
Let's go. And I also saw Fred.
Crap, guys. So this is my first VR video, or at least the first one that I'm planning on posting. First one I'm gonna for sure post. Woo! I'm gonna see on Monk VR. CR Monk VR. He had a thing where he's making video. Happened to be in the same lobby as him. And just happened to be in the same lobby. CR Monk! Where are you?
What? I'm right here. Oh my god.
See, I can juke these guys pretty good. You wanna see it? Oh, ankles! God. I always juke him for a little bit and then I die.
You keep going. I'm not dying.
Oh, my least favorite one.
No, wait.
Come on, CR.
How did from there?
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Turn out lights. I'm paralyzed. So guys, I'm just making a video with CR Monk VR. And we're just playing Scary Baboon. So guys, let's make it to pool. Go to pool. Guys, let's just go to pool, guys.
What a pool.
You're the CR Monk VR, right? Or something?
How did you get me?
Are you the CR VR guy? Where'd he go?
What?
The guy that's supposed to give me a shout out.
Maybe went to the pool. Maybe went to the pool. Dude! Where are you going? What's up, Casey?
Where is this bird?
What's up, Casey?
his chef hat? Oh, you're the guy making the video. Crap.
Up on top of here. Up on top of you. Okay.
Crap. Okay. I'm Harry, by the way.
I'm Harry, by the way.
Yeah. Just so you know.
Did he just walk through the door?
Yeah, probably. Let's make it to pool, guys. They can't get us on these shelves because they're too high. They could be in there. Better be careful.
Come on.
To the pool.
No! Oh no! Oh no!
But there's still the red guy.
Meat man. Oh, there's
no, it's the miner. Miner and meat man.
What?
It's the guy that has like the mining hat. So that's kind of what I mean by saying. No one here. Pool's empty.
Made it.
CR.
I'm just sitting.
What should I call you? What should I call you? What should I call you when I'm talking to you?
Red.
Okay. I feel like I should show you like CR. Yeah, I'm Harry.
Oh yeah, just call me CR. That's what my friends call me.
It's fun. Okay.
Back again. Harry's back. Oh.
That's a little more risky because that's even closer. And if one of the fast guys like the Mr. Like Scary Larry or Big Larry, I think.
No, stay over there so we can. Oh my god. Go over there so we can scout.
I don't see anybody.
Follow me. I have an idea.
What are we going? Be careful.
So, normally when I join public lobbies, there's this monster always stuck. Well,
he's coming.
Really stuck,
oh, he went the other way.
Well,
kind of freakier by yourself, though. With, like, not about a million people.
Harry, you look that way, I look the other way, alright? You look
this
that
way?
I look this way. Yeah, you look that way, I look this way. Well, I think we're dead. Like, you know, he's kind of figuring
Run! I'm fast!
Run! Run! And he's kind of chasing us. So is Casey. Oh my gosh. Mercy upon you.
Come on, CR. Woo.
I'm not. Your channel didn't show up.
My channel's Harry Hurricane. It's just like some kid with wings. Because it's me with wings. Because I'm like a kid.
Get up!
Whew. God.
Oh, went right into jacuzzi. Well. What's your channel? What's your channel?
CR. My channel has not even a single VR video.
It's capital CR. No space. MONKE. And then underscore VR.
So.
That's what I.
Yeah, I subbed. I'll comment on your video. When you post this video, I'll comment on it. Well, at least I'm gonna post this. So I'll comment on it.
I'll post the last one that I did.
Already?
Can I hear a shout out? No, I will post it. I just have to edit it.
Yeah.
But you already know I'm too lazy to do that right now.
Well,
where's Harry's shout out? Stay here.
I'm Harry. We're making a video together. Yeah. I'm gonna feature him in my video, and he's gonna feature me in his video. Guys. Where'd you guys go? Oh,
they died.
Where'd CR died? Crap.
Yes.
I'll juke him and head back to spawn. Oh crap, he's stuck. CR. Green? Oh, I'm by myself. Fine. CR? CR? There you are. Phew, I didn't die. I survived. CR. Where is that guy CR or is this guy CR? That's not CR.
No,
CR!
Dude! Come here.
Where'd CR go? CR.
I don't know.
Where'd he go?
He's going to the pool. He's going to the pool. But dude!
CR. There's monsters down there.
Yeah, let's go up here. Let's go over to the pool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
I don't know where the yellow guy is.
Running with one hand. Hold on, I want to see you running with one hand. Okay. Milk didn't make it. Okay. Gotta do it down slowly. Oh my god. Harry, this is my best. Running with one hand.
How did you do?
Oh, that's very hard to do. That's self-tiring.
I'm gonna do this.
Oh, I'm gonna go look for some monsters.
CR. Where'd CR go?
Dude, they're camping.
CR. Where'd CR go? Is he here?
No, he's not.
He left.
No, he died. Then he went into sculptural border. Look, he went there.
Oh.
No, don't go.
CR. Oh, CRVR. Okay, guys. The end of this video is CRVR. I will probably make it to another video with him. AS45.
To the 4th of July? Yeah, tomorrow's 4th of July. You didn't know? No! Yo! I don't know. Yeah, tomorrow's 4th of July. God, I can't fight with these hands. Who's hyped for 4th of July? I'll punch him in the face. Nah, boom. Oh.
AS45. Did he come back? Oh! You came back, bro! I've been looking for you.
Everybody, I got kicked out again. So I think everybody else left. When I die, I think I'm either going to click that or going to theirs. Hey! Who are you? I'm gonna end the video there, guys. Like and
Bro. Can you meet me like later? Like we can figure it out on the comments of your YouTube. My VR's at 5%, bro.
What? Your VR's at 5%?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see.
So I'll comment on your video and you'll see, and I'll tell you like, just check your comments every a little bit. I'll comment and then we can like make a timer. That we can. Like, bro, because my VR is 5%. I haven't commented yet, but if it is, it's Harry Hurricane, like some wings painted on a wall and me in front of him.